I'm Dave. We like checking out the Roku Smart Lightstrip Plus SE Edition. This is different than their previous Smart Light strips. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside the box. We've got the light strip, of course, the controller, the power adapter, adhesive clips, and alcohol wipes. You'll need the Roku Smart Home mobile app, as well as a Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz connection. It's going to work with Alexa or Google Home. On the other side, this is the features, multicolor sections, 16 million colors. It's trimmable, and then there's vacation mode. It's multi-device sync, create schedules, music sync, as well as enhanced lighting effects. So you should be able to do that eventually. All right, so let's go ahead, open it up, see what's inside. Good old manual information. And looks like our wipes are right here. And this should be the strip. Looks like we've got the power cord. And I guess this is for the music sync. This is our light strip. That's what it looks like. So we're going to plug this end right over here. Then we're going to go ahead and plug the power into the light strip. We're all connected. Let's plug it into the wall and see what happens. Pushing this will rotate through various colors. Holding it down turns it off. On the side here, there is another button. And if we push that, it turns into music mode. So you can actually see it's going to be rotating at the moment, I guess, through various colors, and kind of pulsates to the sound of my voice, which would also be pulsating through the music. So this is just now rotating through the various colors automatically. And then you have the steady light mode. So we're in the Roku Smart Home app. I already have my account created, a couple different lights listed here. We're going to click on the plus icon and we're going to add a device. Looks like lights and power. The Smart Light Strip Plus. Begin installation. It is plugged in. We're going to click on next. Strip, reinforce, yep, next, plug the power adapter into a nearby outlet, and make sure that the light strip is pulsating blue. All right, now we're going to connect to our Wi-Fi network, and 2.4 gigahertz is only supported. Looks like it was able to find my Roku Light Strip Pro. Interesting that they call it Pro and not Plus. And we're gonna name our light strip to that is fine. You can choose an icon based on your location. Just gonna go ahead and click on finish. And our Lightstrip Pro is now added to our Roku Smart Home app. If we click, oh, looks like there's a firmware update. So let's update it. Looks like we've got the latest update now. We're gonna click on done. So now that it's updated, we can click on the Lightstrip Pro 1, and these are our various settings. We've got a scene selection here where there are color temperature scenes as well as color scenes. And you can edit at any point, create the new scene. There you go, high is green. Okay, so now we're in the effects tab. You can see you can turn music mode on or off. Right now the mode is in shadow. So it's just kind of pulsating back and forth in fast. If I turn it to slow, it's just a little pulsing. And you can do auto color. You can also just change the colors to any color that you'd like. I don't want the blue. Let's go with green instead. And then you click on save. And there you go. Turned into a watermelon. And then there are also other effects. So let's check out Leap. So it looks like Leap is just quickly changing. And of course there's Flicker, which goes pretty fast. And then there's Marquee. Whoa. Now that's great. I like that one. That is on slow. What's fast look like? And that is fast. You can, again, turn on music mode at any time. And notice when I start talking, it reacts. And when I stop talking, it doesn't make that effect anymore. There's color focus. And then there is water. So it's like a little ripple splash effect, I guess. It's going through. There's sea wave. Let's see. Cascade. And starlight. You can actually play around with the direction of the light as well at the bottom. So I've turned off the effects by just simply going to scene and selecting overall color here. If we go into design, we have multiple options. We have the color wheel and then just a brightness wheel. Hold down to select anywhere, and then once we have that circle, we can rotate through. Then going back to the color wheel, so whatever color you'd like, go ahead and select it. We're in music mode. I just wanted to show you what it looks like listening to music. So the only aspect that I just don't see within this app right now, if I want it to pulsate, I know how to do that, right? Through all these different effects. And I can change the color to 4 different colors. You can't have any more, which is fine. But I would love the ability where I just have it solid with a bunch of different colors. Going up to the star icon, this is where you can change your name again. You can change the device icon. You can do sleep routines. So you could do wake up or your bedtime. You can also go into your scenes and delete them. You can go and create a timer. And then there's vacation mode, which says vacation mode turns your Roku lights on and off at random times so it looks like you're at home. Then there's sun match. Sun match automatically adjusts your lights to mimic natural sunlight. Let's just turn that on real fast. And then there's power loss recovery. So when my power is restored, do you want to turn the light on or do you want to maintain the previous state? All right, that's about it for what I have to say about the Roku Smart Lightstrip Plus SE Edition. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon. You can check out my playlist on all these Roku products right now.